Hello students, myself Vinti Rai, and today we will do exercise 1.3. In previous class we already studied about the properties of multiplication in integers. In this when we will start this exercise we will use of that properties. Okay, let's see. Question number 1 is given: find each of the following products. Some products are given here and you will have to find out this. Okay, see, it's very easy. I'm taking some different type of questions so that and rest of the portion I will give you as a homework, like see, this one I'm taking C and E and this H. Okay, see, exercise 1.3. Question number first, C is given minus 21 multiplied by minus 30. Okay, first of all we multiply 21 by 3. Students, if 30 or like this some 0 are will be given, then no need to multiply by 0. You can directly multiply by digit first. 21 into 3, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6, and in the finally in the product finally you can count the 0 and you can directly put 10 is given here, so we will put here 10. Okay, no need to multiply 21 by 30. Okay, directly you can multiply by the digit and in finally you can put number of 0 whatever is given in your question. And what sign will be here? Minus minus will be plus. Okay, this was very easy. Now next, E minus 1 5 15 into 0 into minus 18. I have taken this question because 0 is given here and I want to teach you, if we will multiply any numbers and 0 already will be given there for multiplication, so their answer will be directly 0. Okay, see, if you will multiply by 15 into 0, then what you will get? 0. And again when you will multiply minus 18 by 0, then you will get 0. Okay, no need to multiply directly. If 0 is given, so answer will be 0. Now question number H, minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Okay, see, first of all we multiply easy numbers. So 5 and minus 5 and minus 4, we will multiply this one, minus 18 into what will come? 5 4 ja 20. So here we will write 20 and minus minus will be plus. Now in previous question number C, already I taught you, if 0 is given, then leave 0 and you multiply by only digit. 2 is given, 20, so we will multiply at first 18 minus 18 by 2. 2 8 ja 16, 6, 1 will carry, 2 1 ja 2 and 1 3. In last, in our result we will put number of that 0. 10 is given, so here we will write 10 and minus plus will be minus. So students, such type we can solve this product. Every products are very easy, that's why rest of the questions, the rest of the products I am giving you as a homework. Okay, you will solve, and if you will get any problem in solving your homework, then you will mention. Okay, Now see question number 2. Verify the following. A, 18 into in bracket 7 plus minus 3 bracket close हो गया is equal to 18 into 7 plus in other bracket again given 18 into minus 3. In question you will have to find out separately, means LHS first of all you will find out, you will solve, and then RHS you will solve, and you will have to show LHS and RHS both are equal. Okay, let's see question number 2. A, 18 into 7 plus minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. See, first of all 18 is given and we will solve bracket. Okay, first of all what we will solve? We will solve bracket. Whatever is given in bracket we will solve them. I am taking LHS first. 7 plus minus what will become? Minus and 3. 18 into 7 minus 3 will be 4. Now multiply. 4 8 ja 32, 2 and 3 will be carry, 4 1 ja 4 and 3 7, mean to say 72. Now see what about the RHS. RHS we are taking 18 multiply 7 plus 18 multiply minus 3. Separately we will break bracket this. In multiplication students, if bracket is given and addition and subtraction all are given, then first of all you should break a bracket. Okay, wherever bracket is given you will break bracket at first. Okay, now 7 8 ja 56, 6 will be here, 5 carry, 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 12 plus 18, 8 3 ja 24, 4, 2 carry, 3 1 ja 3, 2 5 and plus minus will be minus here 1 2 6 minus 54, 6 minus 4 will be 2 and 12 minus 5 will be 7. So see here LHS is equal to 72 and our RHS is also equal to 72. It means this equation is verified, it is true. Similarly you will do question number 2b. Okay, you can do similarly. First of all you will take LHS and you will break this big bracket, then you will multiply from minus 21. Similarly here also you will separately break this bracket and you will find out both LHS and RHS are equal or not. Now see question number 3. This B is homework. Okay, question number 3. For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? Okay, in question is telling any integer, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? Sorry, when we multiply a by minus 1 then what we get? We multiply minus 1 into a, then it is very simple. We will multiply a 1 ja a and plus minus will be minus. Minus a we will get. This question was very simple. Now see question number 2. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 21. Okay, suppose that we are taking blank. Okay, we are making box multiplied by minus 1, then we get minus 22. So students see minus here already given and in answer also negative. Okay, It means here will be the positive number, that is clear, because minus already given and plus minus will be minus. It is clear. See now, see the digit, what is number given in answer? 22. So and here 1 is given, it means the same 22 will multiply by 1, then we get 22. Okay, same number if we will multiply by 1, because student 1 is our multiplicative identities. So any number if we multiply by 1, then we get the same number. Okay, so here will be 22 into minus 1, then answer will be minus 22. Similarly, B question number, you will multiply minus, see question number B, what we multiplied by minus 1, then we get 37. See here negative 1 is given, but in answer positive number is given. Okay, it means our this digit also will be negative. Okay, that's why then we will multiply when minus minus will be here plus. One thing is clear. Now what digit? The same digit will be here, because 1 is multiplied by this digit. So 37, when we multiply 37 by 1, then we get the same digit. Okay, if here 2 3 other number is given, then we will have to think what digit will be here, but 1 is given, so you don't need to think. The same digit in answer, whatever is written, same digit will be here, because 1 is given. Now see question number C, what we will multiply it by minus 1, then we get 0. Here no need to think anything, no need to do anything. 0 is given, it means we multiply by 0. Okay, when we multiply by 0 from minus 1, then we get 0. Now see question number 4. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various product showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. Students, see the question, what is given? Starting from minus 1 into 5. Okay, mean to say start आपको minus 1 into 5 से करना, and write various product showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 0. आपको स्टार्ट माइनस 1 इंटू 5 से करते हुए बहुत सारे लिखने प्रोडक्ट इसी टाइप से, और लास्ट में आपको क्या शो करना है? माइनस 1 इंटू माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 1. Let's see how we will do. Question number 4. I'm writing this question also. Starting from minus 1 into 5. Okay. Starting from minus 1 into 5. Let's see. Minus 1 into 5. And various product we will write. And last we will show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. See, minus 1 into 5, what will come? What will come in product? 5 1 ja 5, and minus plus will be minus. It is clear that this was very easy. Similarly, how will we come from 5 to minus 1? We will decrease this. Okay, we will decrease, then we will come on 5, because 5 is greater number and minus 1 is very small than 5. So we will decrease one by one. Minus 1 will be the same here. Minus 1 into 4. 4 1 ja 4. Then minus 4. Minus 1 into 3. 3 minus 3. Minus 1 into 2. Then 2 1 ja 2. Minus 2. minus 1 into 1, then 1 1 ja 1 minus 1. Again here one space is not given here. I am writing here 1 is left. Minus 1 into 0 also will come, okay, because already I taught you integers or number lines. 5 4 3, it will come from right to left, then 5 4 3 2 1, and then 0. After 0, minus 1 will come when we go right to left. Minus 1 into 0, so 0 will be here, and 1 at last, this one, okay. In question number 4 only you will do this one. Now see question number 5. Find the product using suitable properties. Here some products are given, but see students, question number 1 also products are given, but here you will have to find out simply. You will do simply by solving, no need to use any properties, but here use suitable properties also, okay. Means whatever properties I taught you before starting this exercise, here you will use them. See question number 5a. 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36, okay. This is your multiplication. Now see which property will apply here. I am saying in this question minus 48 and minus 48 is similar, is equal, both are common, mean to say this is common number. Minus 48 is given here also and here also. Let's remember about the distributive properties. What was our distributive properties? A when multiplied by b plus c, then a multiplied b plus a into multiply c. Now just compare this equation from this equation. A is common, and A is common here, and plus is also given here also. Minus 8 and minus 48 and minus 48 is common, and plus also given. So we will convert this form into this form. We will take common minus 48. आपका क्वेश्चन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टीज़ में अप्लाई करना है, बट आपका क्वेश्चन इस फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है और आपको इस फॉर्म में से कन्वर्ट करना है. minus 48 we will take as a common. You can say common also I am taking, but here you will apply this property. Suppose minus 48 is A and 26 is B and minus 36 is C. So here A is taken as a common, so we are taking minus 48 as a common, and 26 plus what is the C, minus 36, so minus 36 we are taking as a C. Now minus 48, solve this. 26 plus minus minus 36 minus 48, 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 2 1, and plus minus negative sign, negative number is greater, so negative sign will be here, okay. Now see minus minus will be plus, and what when we multiply 48 by 10, then we get 48 and 0 also. Take 48 1 ja 48 and 0 we will put at last, and it will be plus sign. Now see, in every question, in every product, you will use some properties. Now see the next one. Which one you will go? See E. Question number E is also similar. Here also you will take common. 6 to 5, 625 and minus 625 is given. So no problem. This minus you can give to 65, and here suppose here you are consider 625 is given. Let's see, I am doing this one. This was your A question number. Question number E. 625 into multiply minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. So students, here the similar whatever we did in question number A, similar thing are given. 625 is given in both here also and here, two times given, so we can take common this one also. But before starting but before taking common, we should know minus 625 is given here and here 625 is given. Okay, then what we will do in this situation, we will give this minus to 65. We can write this equation like this: 625 minus 35 plus 625 we can write and multiplied by minus 65. Okay, such type also we can do, because we need only to take common 625, so this minus we can give to here. Okay, now take, and if here was, if here is 65 plus 65 is given, in case यहाँ माइनस 65 भी दिया होता तो आप ये माइनस और ये माइनस प्लस हो जाता. ओके, minus 65 I have written. Now take common 625 minus 35 plus same distributive properties we will apply whatever we did in question number A, and here minus 65, 625 minus 35 plus minus minus 65, 625 and minus minus will be plus, 5 5 10 0 1 6 3 9 1 10. This minus minus will be plus, but still we will put, because this is addition and we put sign of greater number, so minus sign will be here. Now multiplied 625 by 100 and we get 625 multiplied by 1 only and put 20 in last, and here minus plus will be minus. Okay, this is your answer. Similarly, rest of the question also you will do, students. See, one more question I am taking like this, B or C. Question number, this one, G. Minus 17 multiplied by minus 29. See, here also we can apply distributive properties. How? See, minus 17 is given and this minus 29 we can write this 29, we can write to 29 30 minus 30. Okay, minus is given here, so we can put this first of all separately. You understand, 29 is given, so here we can write this 30 minus 1. Okay, 29 is given, roughly I am telling as I am explaining this, 29 is given, so you can write 29 30 minus 1. Okay, but here minus 29 is given, that's why if we will write 30 minus 1 then we get only 29, not minus 29, that's why we put minus 30 plus 1. Okay, such type we will put minus 30 plus 1. If you will solve this, then plus minus will be minus and you will subtract and you will get minus 29. Okay, here we break this 29 into two parts, students. If you will get such type of number that is near about the zero holding numbers, see that 29 is given. Okay, 29 30 के नियर अबाउट है ना, पास में है 30 के, और 30 में ज़ीरो होल्डिंग है 30, तो हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन इजी हो जाएगा, 3 से ओनली मल्टीप्लाई हम करेंगे और 0 पुट कर देंगे। तो कोई भी नंबर, जैसे मान लीजिए आपका 67 रहा, 67 होगा तो हम क्या करेंगे, 70 से उसे कनेक्ट करेंगे। ठीक है, 70 से कैसे करेंगे, 70 माइनस 3, तो हमारा 67 आ जाएगा। 67 विल बी द वेरी टफ वर्ड टू मल्टीप्लाई, टफ नंबर फॉर मल्टीप्लीकेशन। दैट्स वाई कोई भी ऐसा टफ नंबर होगा तो हम उसे उसके नियर अबाउट जो जीरो वाले नंबर होंगे उसमें उसको चेंज करेंगे ताकि हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन इजी हो जाए। सो -17, now apply this distributive properties here, -17 into -30 and plus -17 into 1. See, minus minus will be plus. Here I am writing -17, minus minus will be plus. Okay, 3 7 ja 21, 1 2 will be carry, and 3 1 ja 3 2 5 and 0 we will put at last. Minus minus will be plus here. Now plus -17 into 1 will be -17. Now 510 and -17. When we will multiply, when we will take subtraction of this number, then we will take carry here. Here will be 10, 10 minus 7 3, and here will be 0. Again we take carry, it will be 10 minus 1 9 and 4. Okay, what we are getting, 493 as a result. So students, rest portion also you will do, you will try. Okay, in now question number 6 and other question we will do in next videos. Okay, thank you.